booth here from Nubert, the German company. And also interesting solution. You can see here the soundbar, pretty big box here. I have a soundbar from Nubert. I pronounced that right?
That's right.
So this is the biggest model, the powerful one, with Dolby Atmos decoding and a display here. You can see it. Of course, magnetic wheel and remote, of course. And this series consists of 5 speakers. So you have the medium one. These are medium size, and you also get the cute one. This is really a solution if you don't have much space. Still very elegant, very powerful, 50 watts per channel. Really interesting products here from Nubert. So this is the smaller one. So this is more like a traditional standard soundbar, but still the same features as the rest of the series from Nubert. And interesting Bluetooth speaker here from Nubert as well. You can see it's got you can work it like this. This is the display. I don't know if you can see it. Let's take another angle. So this is the display. A big elegant design with a big button here, and you can play it like this. Bluetooth radio, very elegant touch button. So you can work it like this when it's firing down, and you can use it as a more traditional radio like this. I think it's waterproof. It has the sealing.